The Indian stock markets exhibited mixed sentiments on 27 November 2025, with the NSE Nifty 50 closing flat around the 26,200 mark after reaching intraday highs. This performance was bolstered by strength in the banking sector, though drags from IT stocks tempered gains. Trading volumes were notably higher in mid-cap segments, and the broader market showed positive breadth with more advancing stocks than decliners. From a technical perspective, the Nifty's RSI stood at 65, indicating a neutral to bullish bias, while the MACD displayed a positive crossover. Momentum appeared strong in the auto and finance sectors, suggesting potential for continued upside if key supports hold. Among the top gainers on the NSE, Ashok Leyland led with a robust 7.25% rise to 159 rupees and 75 paise, breaking its 50-day moving average (DMA) and forming a bullish engulfing pattern on the daily chart, accompanied by high volume. Saregama India followed, up 5.09% to 399 rupees and 75 paise on medium volume, though its RSI above 70 signals overbought conditions and a possible pullback to the 380 rupee support level. Gujarat Mineral Development gained 4.74% to 553 rupees and 15 paise with medium volume, experiencing a surge that tested its 52-week high resistance. Tejas Networks advanced 4.64% to 503 rupees and 80 paise on high volume, supported by a bullish MACD and positioning above its 200 DMA. Other notable performers included Escorts Kubota, up approximately 4.50% on medium volume, amid sector rotation into agricultural equipment, with a key watch level at 1,200, Bajaj Finance, up 2.24% to 1,033 rupees and 40 paise on high volume, featuring a golden cross on the weekly chart and a target of 1,100, ICICI Bank, up 1.28% to 1,392 rupees and 50 paise on very high volume, pivotal for banking with RSI at 60 and support at 1,350, Hindustan Unilever, up 1.05% to 2,451 rupees on medium volume, reflecting an FMCG rebound. With positive EMA alignment, Shriram Finance, up 1.25% to 867 rupees and 30 paise on medium volume, confirming an uptrend in NBFCs, and Bajaj Finserv, up 1.02% to 2,105 rupees and 15 paise on high volume.